The one thing that I'm really noticing about the 7/8 is that it is super lightweight. It is incredibly lightweight for a lightsaber blade. I almost feel like there's nothing here at all, when in fact there is 350 LEDs. There are 3 strips in here.
Weapon of a Jedi.
Then I am a Jedi.
Hey there, Saber friends, Mace Windu here from Civilized Sabers. I've got a couple very special blades to show you today. These ones are for my friend Keon. Keon is making a Mace Windu short film, and he's going to be collaborating with Disney. So let's give him the best TriStars we can. Keon ordered a 1-inch emitter hilt from a saber company. At first, Keon wasn't sure which saber emitter he had in the saber he had on order, whether it was a 7/8 inch opening or a 1-inch. So what I did was I made him both. Now normally I don't make TriStars in a 7/8. The only one I've done before like that is for Harris of Civilized Sabers. He's really happy with his 7/8 inch TriStar, so I thought I would try again and make a second one. Usually I don't like to do that because there is less diffusion in a 7/8 inch blade. You can get more diffusion out of the 1-inch blade, and therefore your 3 strips of 350 LEDs inside the TriStar will look a lot better. But let's take a look first at the 7/8 inch blade. I'm using my Graflex from FX Sabers. This is made by Michael Murphy, very exquisite lightsaber. I'll be doing a video about this lightsaber on my Space Windu channel pretty soon. So subscribe right here to Civilized Sabers and also my other channel, Space Windu. Now since my FX Sabers Graflex is a 1-inch emitter, I'm going to use a piece of polycarbonate tube as a spacer so that I can test the 7/8 inch blade inside my 1-inch saber. I'm wearing gloves because I have sanded these 2 blades and I don't like to get my fingerprints, which are oily, onto the nice satin finish of the lightsaber blades. Nice, I'm taking a look at the 7/8 inch blade first. This one is a TriStar, 32 inches. It's got 350 really bright LEDs. But you know what? Let's switch to a purple color because for the Mace Windu movie that Keon is making, that would probably be purple. So let's see what this Crystal Focus 10 has as far as color options here. And we'll try to find a nice purple. Oh, there's one. Oh, that's looking pretty good. I do like the tips on these. The one thing that I'm really noticing about the 7/8 is that it is super lightweight. It is incredibly lightweight for a lightsaber blade. I almost feel like there's nothing here at all, when in fact there is 350 LEDs. There are 3 strips in here. When I get a little bit close, I'm trying to find some corn cobbing here. I think I see a little bit there when I really look. Farther away, it should be better, like for filming, and this should work just fine. It certainly looks really good to me, and let's show you guys the way the tip looks here. See if there's another purple version. I see one. Oh, there's another purple. It looks a little dimmer. I'm using a Crystal Focus 10 to test, but any pixel capable lightsaber should be able to run a TriStar. And I've actually got like pretty weak batteries inside my lightsaber, and still it looks really good. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at the 1-inch blade and see how the 1-inch blade looks. Okay, I've got the 1-inch TriStar, 1-inch diameter, 32 inches long. Let's go ahead and see what this looks like in the same color that we just tested the 7/8. Oh, that looks really, really nice. Now, when you have it in a 1-inch, it's very, very smooth. I no longer notice the individual LEDs. And take a look at that tip. I think these KR blade tubes and KR tips really, really work well. These are both trans white outer tubes. You can choose different types on CivilizedSabers.com, like clear or the enhanced blades like photonic. But to see purple, we really need to have a nice trans white. That's going to show a great purple. I've got a mirror over there where I can see what the tip looks like as well. Everything looks really, really smooth here. I'm not seeing any problems. I do like to test the blades before I send them out. Change the color on this one. There's a different purple. I'm not sure which one is more of a Mace Windu purple. It's kind of up to you, up to how it looks on camera. We'll scroll through some other colors. It's a nice blue. The blue looks very, very good in my Graphics, I must say. I like that aqua as well. The red always really gets me. I love this blood red color. Looks a little orangey on camera, but believe me, in person, it's a beautiful, beautiful red. Now this is a great purple. This is probably more my style for purple. Okay, well, I'm going to test this saber a little bit more, and we'll get Keon's 1-inch blade out to him. So if you do end up needing the 7/8 for another hilt, you let me know. But I'm going to send this 1-inch blade out, and I hope it works really, really great for the filming. Hopefully you have a lot less Photoshop work to do and special effects work to do when it looks the way it does on camera. Thanks for taking a look at this video. If you liked it, push that thumbs up button. Subscribe right here to Civilized Sabers channel. Share the video with your Saber friends, and I will see y'all in the next video.
Here for you. It's the weapon of a Jedi.
Then I am a Jedi.
Hey everyone, it's Mace Windu here from Civilized Sabers. Is anyone out there into comic books like I am? I really love comic books. I've always been into collecting them, and now I actually make my own. So if you want to check out my comic book, it's called Albatross Junction. We've got 3 issues, 1, 2, and 3. I make this book with my friend Kevin. You'll also get some posters. You'll also get some trading cards with it as well. These trading cards came out really cool this time as well. Now, me and my friend Kevin, we write the story and we illustrate the comic books. So go check them out if you're into comics. I think you won't be disappointed. So check out Albatross Junction. It's on orangebookcomics.com. You can get it direct from Indiegogo right now. Just go to orangebookcomics.com. I'll put the link in the description if you guys want to check it out.